Good morning and welcome to Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Thursday, Thirsty Thursday. I took yesterday morning off. I didn't do a daily video, so you didn't miss it if you're a daily watcher. But I'm back at it today. I did cook last night. I did my chicken and asparagus, which has a lot of yummies and goodies in it. There's video, there's photos. It was very good. It's a Casual Chef classic. Robin picked that dish, matter of fact. Tonight, I'm doing another Casual Chef classic, and that's sausage and cabbage. Now, there is a Polish dish, and I'm sure very Eastern European dishes that are very similar. This is something I came up with years and years and years ago. I've just been working on it, perfecting it. Yeah, I still am. Matter of fact, I did a couple changes to this one, just for fun. Let's go to it. The wok. I always do this in the wok because I have a nice big domed lid, and yeah, it just works really well. I'll be serving this over egg noodles. I'll be using a chub of loose Italian sausage, hot. Normally I do links and cut it up. Of course, some EVOO, extra virgin olive oil or olive oil. I use white wine to help wilt the cabbage. I'm using red cabbage instead of green cabbage or purple cabbage if you like. There'll be red onion, orange pepper, garlic, of course. I have some leftover mushrooms from last night's chicken and asparagus. I'm just throwing those in to use them up. Kosher salt, black pepper, and we have Mexican oregano, Mexican basil, coriander, and cumin, and a pinch or two of red chili pepper flakes. Super simple. Yeah. It's the wait time so the cabbage softens enough. That's the fun. And I love the color of the red or purple cabbage, whichever you want to call it. It just makes for a fun festive meal. It will be looking great over egg noodles. So yeah, if you want me to, the chicken and asparagus recipe is not a recipe. It is an ingredient list. It's the same thing with this dish tonight. It's an ingredient list. I will be happy to post it. You know, you talented cooks and chefs out there can figure out how the method goes. Yes. All right. On this Thirsty Thursday, and we're having cooler weather here in Sutter County, California, hopefully across the nation, at least for the next few days. So on this Thirsty Thursday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.